Hi, welcome to Dhaatrisolutions. Today we have a new project called Stadium Ticket Booking System. Let's say a few description about the project. Stadium is the place where the people get together to watch the matches of cricket, football, hockey and many more. But to watch these matches, one need to book a seat for that matter. To get a seat in the stadium to watch the matches sometimes it is very difficult for us. Most of you might experienced a bit difficult to get a tickets. But what if the seats in a stadium can be booked through a platform online? Yes, it is possible. The stadium ticket booking system will help you to book a tickets through online mode. The people get the tickets through online mode at easily. The futures may be number of seats available like that. Let's see a few flowchart of our project. See, we have a three modules: admin, game manager, customer like a user. Admin is the main person. He is going to add everything. For admin we have a default login details. He can add a stadium in the platform, and he can add a schedules for the stadium. And then we have a game manager is going to register with his personal details like username, password, mobile number, and then the details will be gone to admin is going to view the managers, and he will verify the manager is valid or not. He is good by checking the personal details, ids and etc. After the admin is going to verify them, the game manager will be registered, and he is going he they can get a login details, id and password. And then the game manager is going to add upcoming events like what matches are going to be held in the stadium. And then we have a customer module. Customer is going to register with his personal details like username, password, etc. Then the customer is going to log in with his login details, and the customer is going to view the schedules on what matches he is going to go to the stadium, and what they are going to see in the stadium. And the customer is going to book the seats, and next the booked seats will be in the view payments after buying a ticket. This is a flowchart of our project. Let's see our project. See, this is the stadium ticket booking system. Interface of our system. Interface of our project. No line waiting, just online. We can book a tickets through online platform. See, we have admin, game manager, customer. See, admin. We know that the admin has a default login details called admin. These are predefined. See, admin has a view managers, add stadium, schedules, payments. Let's see the add stadium. Now admin have been already created in a stadium, LB stadium at location USA. He can add the how many seats are available for that. Gold seats, bronze, silver. These are the seats available in this here. We can edit the stadium details. Next we can schedule. Schedule has been done by a game manager. Okay. In our platform we have one stadium, that is LB stadium. Let's go with a manager, game manager. See, let's create a new account. Manager name I will create as a Alexa. Email ID alexa@email.com. I will create a password. I have created a mobile number and a password. I will take one photo of the manager. Let's browse it. I will take this image. See, now the game manager is registered successfully, but he is not valid. Let's check it out. What? Alexa gmail.com. We will get an error because the manager is not verified by the admin. Now we will go to admin module and verify the user. See, we have gotten a request from a manager from Alexa, name Alexa. See, not verified. Now I am going to verify the user. Verify. Okay, the manager is verified successful. Let's go to the game manager. Alexa, right? Alexa. See, the manager is successfully registered. Now see the Alexa profile. Let's go with an upcoming events. Alexa, the manager is going to add a schedule. On which date? He is going to add a date on 11. 11 a match is going to be held on 1 p.m. 1 a.m. It is going to end in 12. Okay. Price of the platinum price is 278. I will take a sample price. Now I added in a schedule. Alexa, manager name Alexa, stadium name will be game name saucer. It will be start on 11th, end on 12. How many seats are available? 200, 200, 400, 400. These are the activities done by a manager. Let's see the payments. It will be done by a customer. Let's go with the customer. A new customer. I will create a new customer. Name called okay. I will take seller. And take any details. These are the customer details. The customer, the user is successfully registered. Now I am going to log into customer module. See the seller, the customer is successfully registered and logged in also. Let's see the what are the upcoming details. See, Somu created an upcoming details. Alexa, before we created an Alexa like on 11th match. Now I am going to take a ticket from gold on 11th date. I'm taking 2 tickets. Book a seats. How much cost? Card number. These are the credit card details we have to enter on your own. See, transaction successfully. Now we will see the tickets available, booked seats. See, we have taken 2 seats from the Alexa. See, total price, printed tickets. Oh, okay. These are the tickets booked. View payments. Okay, I will go to the game manager. See, we have created an upcoming details that we have to add a team. I will take it as a PS 10 members at the team. Delhi. See, I have created 2 teams. Now the matches. See, here you can see the how many tickets have been booked. See, 2 tickets have been sold. Booked it's a 2. Now let's go to the customer module. I'm going to cancel the tickets. No, I'm not interested to go there. So I'm going to cancel. Book seats. Cancel it. The booking cancelled by customer. View payments. Okay. Game manager. Okay. View payments. See. like those tickets have been cancelled. See view bookings. Status of the seats cancelled by a customer 1 2. This is a project. It helps to the user to take a tickets from an online platform, and it helps to consume the less time to take a tickets. Thank you.